Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Woodforest to the Cash App. To transfer the money to Cash App, you need to add a bank account to your Cash App account. To do that, open your Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, you should see the profile icon. Tap on it. Then select the Linked Banks option. And tap on the linked bank. Then follow the prompts. After linking your bank account to your Cash App account successfully, you can then add cash to your Cash App balance by doing this. Navigate to Cash App's home screen and tap on Banking or Money. Then tap the Add Cash option. You can choose an amount. You can add it by tapping. To confirm, use Touch ID or enter your PIN. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.